Here's my impression of the most annoying Atlanta you ever come across. Hold on, let me just. Alright, there we go. My grandma essayed my dog. Okay, now that I got your attention, why aren't my rants getting any views? Like I posted a second ago, I should have had 1 billion views. Anyways, hot take. Essay people are not valid. Also, I think lips are so crunchy. They're just so yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Especially eyes. It's good wherever it goes. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Anyways, how did I do? QB out.